In this video, we'll be removing backgrounds from photos using GIMP. My name is Vince and welcome to Actionable User, whereby we help you become more actionable when using GIMP. Let's get started. Okay, so currently I'm in GIMP and I have an image here with me. I want to remove the background of this image. To do that, firstly, I'll come to this left side whereby I can see the particular layers. You can hide and unhide. So here I will create a new transparent layer. So we'll do that by coming to this side whereby I'll find some icons. Here below, I'll click on this icon which opens this create a new layer window. You can give it a name or you can leave it that way. So you can go ahead and click on OK. Yeah, so here's my transparent layer. While I'm selected on my transparent layer, I come and change it to now the image itself. So after changing it to the image, I now need to use a tool to remove the white background. The tool I'm going to use is the bucket fill tool, and your tool area may look different. The bucket tool icon is this one. Yeah, the bucket pouring something which looks like paint. You can go ahead and click on it, or alternatively, as I'm hovered on it, you can see that Shift B is the shortcut you can use. So click on it. And once we click on it, we find a couple of options open up here in the bottom left. So we have all this, and if I now hover here at my image, the color which is here at the top of these two color squares, if I click here, it is going to be pasted here. However, now I don't want to paste a different color. I want to remove all the color and just remain with my cutout. I will undo that, Ctrl Z. Yeah. So after undoing that, I now need to make changes. The change that I'm going to do is here at the mode. I need to change it from normal, so it will come selected at normal as the default. So I'll click this down icon, and after I click that, I have some various modes, the normal being the first, and I'll scroll down until I find erase. So once I use the erase option, and all the other options will remain the same. Yeah, so after making that change in the mode, I now need to hover here, and after I've hovered here, you'll see that my icon changes to a bucket, the same bucket tool that we saw here. So I'm just going to click on here, and now all the color has been removed and we've only remained with our image. Here with me is another image. I want to stress this and give this as a word of caution. The method that I've shown you, it only works on white backgrounds. What do I mean? The difference between this image and our first image, so our first image here, it had a white background. But this image here, the background looks kind of beige or somehow brownish. Let me repeat the process that I did, but what you can see is, since my background wasn't entirely white, the tool doesn't function properly. So that is something that you should keep in mind. Remember that this method is just a quick shortcut for images with a white background, and there are other methods which work with backgrounds which are non-white or other elements like pieces of hair, which we shall look at in other videos. If you'd like to know how to edit a photo professionally using GIMP, find the video linked in the description box below. If I forgot something, let me know in the comments. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and guys, I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.